Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, for today's video I'm bringing back a format that I used to love, and I'm basically gonna be testing and reviewing the brand Romwe UK. Now I came across this brand as an ad on my Instagram and I thought, you know what, I'm actually gonna buy some stuff from there. They're super cheap and they also looked really good. So I've got the parcel right here and we're just gonna open it on camera. And as always, if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm actually quite excited. I got a lot of really cute stuff and I think I paid under £50 with like the discounts and everything. Let's just crack this open. I am so excited. Ooh, look at that goodie over there. Okay, I'm just gonna start off with the first thing that I see. Ooh, right. Oh, that is nice. So everything is like individually folded. That is actually quite cute. So let's start with this one right here. Pretty sure these are a pair of leggings. And alright, I'm not a big fan. These looks slightly big. Now it could be me and they could actually fit really nicely, but I don't know, they look kind of big. So they say Chicago on this part of the leg, and well, I'll try them on. Maybe they look nice once you try them on. Right now I'm a bit like about them. Anyway, moving on to the next thing. Okay, I feel like quality, yes, I paid really little. Like price wise everything was super cheap, but quality wise it's definitely not the best fabric, and it also smells kind of weird, just warning you. But this is the next thing that I got. I thought it was super cute, but again, the quality is not that great. I think that this one though, when you wear it, it will be cute. Also bear in mind this was one size. Now it looks like it's gonna fit me, but if you have a big breast, I don't know how this one is gonna fit you. Again, not super impressed with quality, but it looks quite nice. Alright, so moving on. This one actually says Shein in the packaging, which I heard that Romwe also sells Shein stuff. And apparently this one belongs to Shein. Ooh, okay. Okay, this looks nice. Ooh, okay. Well, you guys probably saw my Chloe Ting workout challenge result video. And if you want to watch it, I will link in the eye as well. I was scrolling through this site. I was like, you know what? I'm actually gonna like get some workout stuff because I'm feeling like it. And these ones look super cute. They look really nice. So they have like a pocket right here. They have this bit which is like sheer, and I'm quite impressed. I think I'm gonna like them. Again, quality is probably not the best. It's definitely not Fabletics or anything like that, but they do feel slightly nicer than this gray one. So yeah, we'll see. I'm quite excited for these. Oh my god. Okay, so next up I got another top again from Romwe. I feel like this is like, it's cute, the fact that everything is like sold separately, but it's just so much plastic. Like, why? Why would you do that? I don't know. Anyway, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. I love the color. The material again is not the best. It definitely, like from the picture, it looked thicker in a way, whereas this one is really lightweight, but it just looks so cute, and I can tell when I try this on it will look really pretty. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited about this one. I think it's gonna be a win. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, so you guys know that I'm super into collages, and basically got some stickers that I can use for my collages. and I kind of want to customize my MacBook cover as well, so let me know if you would like me to like do a video about it. But I'm actually so excited to like open this up and see all the stickers inside. Like, I'm obsessed already. And they also gave me like this cute little gift, which I'm gonna open with you. Use the noise. Oh, okay, this is nice. It's like a little pouch. This is actually kind of cute. How pretty is that? So basically they gave me this one for free. Like, you could select which free item you would like to have when you spend, I think it was like £30 or something like that. But yeah, I chose this one. I think it's super duper cute. I'm actually quite obsessed with it. And then on to the final thing. So again, it's technically from Shein, but I got it on Romwe, and this might be the dress for my 22nd birthday. I wanted to go with red because, you know, I'll be turning 22, and clearly there's a Taylor Swift song called 22, and it's on the Red album, and she wears red lipstick, and you know, I'm feeling red. So ooh, okay, it's not as bright as I thought, which I actually do prefer. I think on camera it does show up a bit brighter, but it's a nice coral color, which I like. It's not too bad of quality. Also, this one was probably the most expensive thing that I ended up getting. I think it was like £20 or something like that. Okay, so it definitely looks super big, but that's because it's meant to be really airy, but there's technically 2 strings at the back that you can just like pull, and that will make it smaller at the waist, I guess. So like that. In the front it also has these 2 things which you pull. I think all these dresses are really hard to like show on camera, so you'll probably get a gist when I wear it, and I will probably get a gist when I wear it. So this is how it looks like. I'm actually quite obsessed with it. There's also some ruffle. Guys, I think I got the dress. I think I actually really like it. I got this, but I was like, you know what, if I don't end up liking it, I'm just gonna return it. So I kind of took a risk with this one because it was, again, on the expensive side. I know £20 is not that bad, but compared to everything else that I got, it was like definitely the most expensive item. I'm actually quite obsessed. I think I love this. This is definitely, other than the stickers, because I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the stickers, this is probably the best thing that I got. And I'm quite concerned about the fact that it's from Shein and not Romwe technically, but again, got it on Romwe. I feel like I said that a million thousand times, so yeah, you need to excuse me for that. But she is lovely. I can't wait to try this on. Honestly, it looks amazing. So oh, that was everything that I got from Romwe UK, and overall I think I will give them a thumbs up. The prices are really low. The quality, yes, is not the best thing ever, but at the same time, for the price that you pay, you can really expect amazing quality. Also, they do not only sell clothes, but they also sell stickers or like anything for home decor and stuff like that. I think that's all for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what video would you like to see next, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new collab every Tuesday and main channel video every Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!